Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishal. In this video, let's have a look on Do Nothing in the polygon action of the ZModeler. Before starting my video, I would like to ask one question. Can you tell which is the highest grossing film ever in the world history? If you know, please comment in the comment section. So let's get started with the video. So right now I've got a cube mesh, a Q cube. So I'm going to select I have a lot of subdivisions. So I'm going to choose the ZModeler just from the brush palette, or else I can press B, Z and M. So that will select the ZModeler. I hit spacebar and then you have Do Nothing here, and then you should be able to see the target is polygons. So why is Do Nothing tool actually given? Generally Do Nothing means you have to do nothing. So why is that so? So often we just go with the edge action and then we go to the point action, and then sometimes we accidentally click on the face and we end up giving some unwanted results. So when we switch to polygon action Do Nothing, it's not going to do anything on your polygon. However, whenever I click on the polygon, it's going to give me a line in the middle. So this is something weird. So it's almost like edge action only. Like even when we just select the edge action, you get the same result. So it's giving the same thing for the matter. So if I let's select the move and then click on it, then you should see you don't get anything right now with the move action there for the polygons. So Do Nothing does nothing to your model. Earlier I was adding the line only because there's a insert edge action defaultly selected. So I've changed the edge action to something else, so the action doesn't show up now. So this is how the Do Nothing tool works. If you got any questions, I request you to put it in the comment section. I request you to like my video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.